In this video, I'll show you how to overlay in Canva. First, take some elements in your canvas. Let's say this one is one of my element, this is another element, and I colorize it green, and this another color red. So these are the two elements, and now let's take an image. Now get an image. Okay, now take this image, and now just removing the background. Now how to manage overlay? Let's say I want to keep this element first and then this element. Now the red is forward to the rectangular and the image is forward to the red. Let's say I want to bring it up to the red. Just click here and now click position, and you will get this option. When you click forward, it will come to the forward. If you want to forward it to the image, you can also click here and it will automatically forward it. So this is the first way, and second way is you can manage it from the layer. Click the layer button, and now you will see all of the layers are available. The first layer is background, and then the circle, and then the image, and then the rectangular. If you want to take the rectangular shape below for everyone, and now see it will come to the backward of every part. So this way you can control the overlay in Canva. This is very simple. Now let's say I want to adjust this, and I want to keep this in the background, and want to keep this here. This is pretty simple. This way you can overlay elements in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw the comment below. I will read and reply your comment.